The world of cryptocurrency witnessed a momentous occasion on February 20th, 2025. This date will be remembered as a turning point in the digital currency landscape, marking a significant milestone in the journey of decentralized finance. PiNetwork, the ambitious project aiming to bring crypto to the masses, launched its open Mainnet. This launch was not just a technical achievement but a statement of intent, showcasing the project's commitment to making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. This marked the culmination of years of development and anticipation. The dedicated team of developers and visionaries behind PiNetwork had worked tirelessly to bring this vision to life, overcoming numerous challenges along the way. It signaled the start of a new era for Pi. The dawn of this new chapter was filled with hope and excitement as the community eagerly anticipated the opportunities that lay ahead. With the launch of the open Mainnet, Pi became tradable on major cryptocurrency exchanges. This development was a game-changer, allowing users to convert their mined Pi into other cryptocurrencies or fiat money. Platforms like OKX, Gate.io, BitGet, and CoinDCX listed Pi, opening doors for global trading. This widespread adoption by major exchanges was a testament to PiNetwork's growing influence and credibility in the crypto world. This significant step allowed millions of pioneers, as PiNetwork users are known, to finally realize the value of the Pi they had mined. For many, it was a moment of validation and reward for their early belief in the project. The launch was met with immense enthusiasm. Communities around the world celebrated this achievement, recognizing it as a major leap forward in the adoption of decentralized digital currencies. PiNetwork distinguished itself by focusing on mobile accessibility. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that required expensive hardware and technical know-how, Pi could be mined directly from a smartphone. This made it possible for anyone with a smartphone to participate in the crypto revolution. The simplicity and inclusivity of PiNetwork's approach democratized access to cryptocurrency, making it possible for people from all walks of life to join the movement. No expensive mining rigs or technical expertise were required. This lowered the barrier to entry significantly, allowing even those with limited resources to become part of the PiNetwork community. PiNetwork's user-friendly approach resonated with people worldwide, fueling its rapid growth and establishing it as a major player in the crypto space. The project's vision of inclusivity and accessibility struck a chord with a global audience. The open Mainnet launch and exchange listings marked a pivotal chapter in PiNetwork's journey. These milestones were not just technical achievements but also significant steps towards mainstream acceptance and recognition. They represented the transition from a promising project to a tangible reality. The successful launch and subsequent listings were proof that PiNetwork was more than just an idea. It was a functioning and valuable cryptocurrency. This move opened up a world of possibilities for Pi and its ever-growing community. The future was filled with potential, as the network continued to innovate and expand its reach. The future looked bright for this innovative cryptocurrency. With a strong foundation and a clear vision, PiNetwork was poised to make a lasting impact on the world of digital finance. The launch of PiNetwork's open Mainnet was met with significant market interest. This event marked a pivotal moment in the cryptocurrency landscape, drawing attention from both seasoned investors and curious newcomers alike. The Pi coin, denoted as $PI, entered the market at an initial price of $0.8955. This initial valuation set the stage for what would become a dynamic and closely watched trading journey. This marked the beginning of Pi's journey in the volatile world of cryptocurrency trading. Investors were eager to see how $PI would perform amidst the unpredictable market conditions. The price of $PI experienced expected fluctuations throughout its first day of trading. These fluctuations were a testament to the high level of activity and interest surrounding the new cryptocurrency. It reached an all-time high of $1.97, demonstrating the market's initial excitement and confidence in the project. This peak was a significant milestone, reflecting the optimism and potential seen by early adopters. Conversely, it also dipped to an all-time low of $0.8364, highlighting the inherent volatility of newly listed cryptocurrencies. Such dips are not uncommon and serve as a reminder of the risks involved in cryptocurrency investments. The trading volume of $PI painted a clear picture of its enthusiastic reception. High trading volumes often indicate strong interest and active participation from the trading community. Within the first 24 hours, $PI recorded a staggering $841,264,969 in trading volume. This impressive figure underscored the significant demand and widespread interest in the new cryptocurrency. This represented a remarkable 3,247.70% increase, signaling strong demand and interest from traders and investors alike. Such a dramatic rise in trading volume is a clear indicator of the market's enthusiasm and the potential they see in $PI. Beyond the initial price action, PiNetwork celebrated several key milestones. These milestones were not just about numbers, but also about the community and technological advancements that the project achieved. These achievements underscored the project's commitment to its roadmap and its dedication to delivering on its promises. Each milestone was a step forward in realizing the vision of a decentralized and inclusive digital economy. These milestones served as tangible evidence of PiNetwork's progress and fueled continued optimism within the community. The journey of $PI is just beginning, and the future holds much promise for this innovative cryptocurrency. PiNetwork's journey began in 2019, spearheaded by a team of Stanford graduates. These visionaries, with their deep understanding of both technology and economics, sought to create a more inclusive financial system. Their vision was clear: to democratize access to cryptocurrency mining and empower individuals worldwide to participate in the digital economy. They believed that everyone, regardless of their technical expertise or financial status, should have the opportunity to mine and own cryptocurrency. At a time when crypto mining was dominated by energy-intensive processes and expensive hardware, PiNetwork proposed a novel solution: mobile mining. This approach not only made mining more accessible, but also significantly reduced the environmental impact associated with traditional mining methods. The core of PiNetwork's innovation lies in its utilization of the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP. This protocol, known for its efficiency and security, was adapted to fit the needs of mobile users, ensuring that mining could be done without draining battery life or requiring high computational power. This unique consensus mechanism eliminates the need for energy-intensive proof-of-work mining, making Pi mining possible on smartphones without draining battery life. It was a game-changer, opening the doors for millions to participate in the crypto economy. This approach aligned with PiNetwork's mission of accessibility and sustainability. By lowering the barriers to entry, PiNetwork aimed to create a more inclusive digital economy where everyone could benefit. The project's development unfolded in phases, each marked by significant milestones. These milestones were not just technical achievements but also represented the growing community and the increasing trust in the network. Phase 3, known as the Enclosed Network, commenced in December 2021. This phase was crucial as it focused on building the Pi ecosystem and preparing for the eventual launch of the open Mainnet. This phase focused on building the Pi ecosystem and preparing for the eventual launch of the open Mainnet. It involved rigorous testing and community feedback to ensure a robust and secure network. Throughout its development, PiNetwork introduced key features and adjustments to refine its ecosystem. These updates were driven by the community's needs and aimed at enhancing user experience and security. In March 2022, a new mining rewards formula was implemented to ensure fairness and long-term sustainability. This formula was designed to balance the distribution of rewards and incentivize active participation. Later, in July 2024, PiNetwork initiated a grace period to accelerate Know Your Customer (KYC) verification and encourage migration to the Mainnet. This period was essential for ensuring the integrity and security of the network. PiFest 2024, a global gathering of PiNetwork pioneers, marked another significant milestone. This event brought together the community to celebrate achievements and discuss the future of the network. This event facilitated real-world Pi transactions, showcasing the growing utility of the cryptocurrency. It was a testament to the network's progress and its potential to revolutionize the digital economy. Section 4. A thriving ecosystem: apps, transactions, and partnerships fueling growth. A key aspect of PiNetwork's vision is the development of a robust and diverse ecosystem. This ecosystem centers around peer-to-peer transactions, decentralized applications, or dApps, and strategic business partnerships. The goal is to create a self-sustaining economy where Pi is used for everyday transactions. PiNetwork boasts over 100 Mainnet or Mainnet-ready applications. These apps span a wide range of categories including social media, gaming, e-commerce, and more. This burgeoning app ecosystem provides practical utility for Pi, moving it beyond a speculative asset and into the realm of real-world use cases. Regular hackathons organized by PiNetwork further stimulate app development. These events bring together talented developers from around the world to innovate and build on the Pi platform. By fostering a vibrant developer community, PiNetwork ensures a constant influx of new and exciting applications that enrich its ecosystem. Strategic business partnerships play a crucial role in expanding PiNetwork's reach and utility. By collaborating with businesses both large and small, PiNetwork aims to integrate Pi as a payment method for goods and services. These partnerships bridge the gap between the digital and physical worlds, making Pi more accessible and useful in everyday life. Section 5. Millions, Strong and Growing, the Power of the Pi Community. One of PiNetwork's most remarkable achievements is the rapid growth of its user base. With over 10 million users worldwide, PiNetwork has cultivated a vibrant and passionate community. This strong community is a testament to the project's vision, accessibility, and potential. The migration to the Mainnet has been met with significant enthusiasm. Over 8 million pioneers have successfully transitioned to the Mainnet, eager to participate in the open network and utilize their mined Pi. This migration process is crucial for the long-term success of PiNetwork. KYC verification is a key aspect of the Mainnet migration, ensuring the integrity and security of the network. PiNetwork has made significant progress in this area, with over 19 million pioneers completing their KYC verification. This stringent verification process safeguards the network against fraudulent activities and builds trust within the community. The PiNetwork community is more than just a collection of users, it's a global movement. Pioneers actively engage with the project, contribute to its development, and spread awareness about Pi's potential. This sense of community ownership and shared purpose is a driving force behind PiNetwork's success.